Have you ever wished you could absorb information faster and retain it longer? The good news is, science has proven that there are ways to trick your brain into learning faster. Today, we'll explore psychology-backed techniques to help you boost your learning speed and efficiency. Let's get started. Cramming might help you pass a test, but it won't help you retain information long-term. Studies show that spacing out learning sessions, known as the spacing effect, strengthens memory retention by allowing your brain time to form deeper connections. Instead of studying for hours at once, break sessions into smaller chunks over several days. This prevents cognitive overload and makes it easier to recall information when needed. Review information at increasing intervals to reinforce retention. The Spaced Repetition System, SRS, helps strengthen memory by strategically revisiting information at optimal times. Use tools like flashcards or apps like Anki for spaced repetition. These methods help your brain store information in long-term memory rather than just short-term cramming. Your brain learns better in short, focused bursts. The Pomodoro technique, a time management method, boosts productivity by balancing work and rest, making learning more efficient. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This structure prevents mental fatigue and keeps your brain sharp. After 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This allows your brain to consolidate information and reset for the next learning session. This method prevents burnout and keeps your brain engaged, making it easier to maintain concentration for longer periods. One of the best ways to learn faster is by teaching what you've just learned. Psychologists call this the protege effect. When you explain a concept to someone else, you reinforce your own understanding and deepen retention. Summarize information in your own words. This forces you to simplify and clarify complex topics. Teach a friend, record yourself, or write a blog post about what you learned. By reprocessing the information, your brain encodes it more effectively. This process deepens comprehension and memory, as explaining a concept requires organizing your thoughts and reinforcing knowledge through retrieval. Your brain processes images faster than text. That's why visualization techniques enhance learning speed and improve recall. Convert concepts into mental images or mind maps. This helps in organizing ideas visually, making abstract topics more concrete. Associate abstract ideas with vivid pictures. The more unusual or striking the imagery, the better your brain remembers it. The more senses you engage, the stronger the memory formation. Pairing visuals with spoken or written content enhances retention. Memory works best through association. The brain links new information to what it already knows, making learning more intuitive. Use mnemonics to create memorable patterns. Acronyms and rhymes make recall easier. Connect new facts with personal experiences. If you relate new knowledge to something meaningful, your brain retains it longer. The more relatable the information, the easier it is to recall. Try linking new concepts with familiar stories or songs. Your brain can only process a limited amount of information at once. The chunking method helps by breaking information into smaller, meaningful groups. Instead of memorizing random numbers, group them into patterns. For example, remembering a phone number as 123-456-7890 instead of 123-456-7890 makes it easier to recall. Organize related concepts into categories. Learning similar ideas together strengthens neural connections. This method makes complex information easier to digest and reduces cognitive load. Your environment plays a big role in learning. Contextual learning suggests that studying in different settings enhances recall and improves adaptability. Change study locations to strengthen memory connections. Your brain links information with your surroundings, so varying study spaces can improve recall. Associate learning with a specific scent or sound. If you listen to the same music while studying and while taking a test, your brain may recall the information more effectively. The brain ties knowledge to context, improving recall in real-world situations. Try studying in environments similar to where you'll apply the knowledge. The more senses you use while studying, the stronger your memory. Neuroscience research supports multisensory learning, which enhances retention. Read out loud instead of just reading silently. Speaking engages auditory processing, reinforcing the information. Use color-coded notes and diagrams. Different colors can help categorize information and trigger memory recall. Engaging different senses strengthens neural connections and makes learning more effective. Your brain has peak learning times during the day. Understanding your ultradian rhythms, natural energy cycles, can maximize productivity. Study during peak alertness, which is usually in the morning for most people. Research shows that cognitive performance is highest in the morning hours. Avoid learning complex topics when tired. Your ability to absorb and retain information decreases when fatigued. Match study times to your brain's natural rhythm for better retention. If you're a night owl, schedule study sessions during your most alert hours. Your brain needs rest and movement to function at its best. Studies show that sleep and physical activity enhance learning in several ways. Sleep enhances memory consolidation, making learning stick. During deep sleep, your brain strengthens and organizes new knowledge. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, improving focus and cognitive function. Even moderate exercise like walking has been linked to better learning outcomes. Even short naps and light physical activity can boost learning speed. A quick 20-minute nap can help solidify what you've learned. Learning faster isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. By applying these psychological hacks, you can absorb information more efficiently and retain it long